guys, I went to go pick up my contacts and I knew that the Dollar General was going to be marking down today all their home decor to 70%, and the blue and gray items are 70%. So now guys, we already know that last week or maybe the week before, they had some of the items that already had went to 70% that were blue and gray, and a lot of people said that at their store they were not 70. They are 70 today, but I am not encouraging you to go out and shop. If you happen to be out and you wanted to stop and get a deal, they will ring up 70%. So you can see my store has already been rated as far as you see the kids clothes that they have, and then they also still have some shoes that are ringing up 70%. Now, if you missed the deal, it is okay, because we already know that they would go from 70% to 90%, and then they will eventually turn into penny items. And for us, of course, it's not going to be that much left anyway, because it already had went to 70% for us a while back. So you can see they still have the items that did not sell, which is going to be still like your gloves, and not only your gloves but your shoes, and a lot of different sets. And these are like considered your winter items. Now guys, it's supposed to be a clearance sale this Saturday, and so you can see here they put it up for 70% off, but it's supposed to be a clearance sale this Saturday. I'm not sure if that's going to be working due to everything that is going on. But they also have these pet tumblers. So your brown, which is going to be your home decor, they would be 70% off as well. And these items, so I did try and scan them as well. Purple is not ringing up 70% off, nor any other color. So these were some of the items that they have, but they are not ringing up. So what is ringing up 70%? As of right now, it's your blue, your gray, and your brown items. So if you need those items and you were already going out to the Dollar General, then you can pick up those items. I am not telling you to go out and make a special trip to the Dollar General to get a sale, okay? I am not saying that, but there are still places that are open, and Dollar General happens to be one. So let's go ahead and see some of the items that they have for home that are 70%, and yeah, we'll go ahead and check those out. And then if you guys want to know a list of the clearance events for Dollar General, let me know and I'll definitely go ahead and post it. All right guys, so one of the things that's going to be the brown dot, which is 70% off, is going to be like your throws. So these throws would be about around like $4 or $5 on here. So they have the different throws, and not only do they have the throws, but they also have the pillows. And when I say the brown dot, this is what we're looking for. So this was $5 and it would be $1.50. And so they have more throws. This would be $2.10. And then they also have like the micro light Berber throws as well. And so they have different colors that you can see. And this one I thought was really cute, but it's kind of giving me like little puppy and kitten vibe. So I thought, and it's very, very soft. Oh my gosh, it's really soft. Now guys, even if you're like stuck in the house right now and you can't get out, it is okay, because eventually these will go from 70%, and you know, like they can go to 90%, and then eventually they will penny out if they don't penny out before then. So, and then if we look here, some more pillows. This one is nice with the sequin. I thought this was great for little girls, especially this whole JoJo. A lot of girls love the JoJo. And for this, it was $15. So it'll be around like $4 or $5. And you can see it's brown dot, but it comes with a 3-piece travel set. So you get the pillow, you get this little unicorn thing, and then you also get the actual throw itself. And then some of these throws though are purple. So you have to just be careful and look. And so a lot of the throws would be your 70% off. And then we have some of the home items, which is going to be like your tool set. So this would only be $1.50. And yeah, this can probably stay. And then you have, oh, so this mug, this would be like 50 cents. Who's a good dog? Oh, cool. And then we also have this, which is like your flameless candles. So this would be $3. And then we have more little tumblers. And then not only that, but we also have these little, what are they? I don't know. Oh, fridge magnets. Okay. So this would be cool, like if you had like a ladies event or different things and you can put those in there. They would be 30 cents. I would probably wait on these, honestly. And then we have this table decor, and we also have a wine cork holder. Okay, I don't know who would need this, but maybe you do, you know, I'm not judging. And then let's see. All right, so this is what I see on this aisle, but I know we have more brown in our store. Now, I know we have some penny items as well, and for those penny items, those would be, they have like a lot of different baskets and different things as well. So this is a ceramic trivet. Okay. Now, what do you use this for? I have no idea. And then we have the glass plaques, and these would be 30 cents as well. This may be something to grab, which is going to be the flashlights, and these would be $1.50. And then we also have this tabletop fountain. This would be $1.50. We have the beer mug. Oh my gosh. This would be $1.50 as well. So everything that's $5 is going to be $1.50. Now the location, the only reason why I cannot show you the penny items here is because this location does not do penny items. Of course, you don't want to ask any of the store representatives, do they have penny items at all? There is a list that gets published, and if you want me to start doing penny items, I will. The only reason why I don't post them, because not everyone's store has them. And so I don't want you guys to be like, oh my gosh, my store, I could not find any penny items. And so that's the only reason why this is not it. But this mug gift set, not bad. I think I'm looking here to see if I can find any more brown items. Now I'm a little bit, you know, a little bit annoyed that our store didn't have them up front, but because usually our store does do that, they'll pull them for us. And not only that, you know, just when you're in good with the representatives, they will let you know what is going on and what they have for sale. So I'm looking for any more brown items, but those are the items that we have, and let me see what else I can find. All right guys, so as you can see, that was just a few items that they had at my store. Now I'm not going to go to any other store. I'm about to get back in the house like everyone else, and I do have my contacts. But before we go ahead and leave, you can see that this store has a lot of items that they've put on clearance. So you see this full thing is just full of clearance. So I guess they're going through with them having downtime and just getting rid of some of the things that they have. And so a lot of stuff is on clearance, from makeup wipes to the soap and different creams and skin creams and astringents, and yeah, car items, and even this swab. This would be probably a good item when, and I didn't even check the Dollar General app, but I'm sure they probably have some type of coupon that I can use with this, as well as the Hello Hydration. And you know, there's always like a Pantene coupon. But yeah, these are all the items right now that they do have on our clearance, which looks pretty promising. I mean, folders and gift bags and makeup and St. Ives renewing cream. Wow, Dark and Lovely. It looks like it's a ton of makeup, which they always have makeup coupons and mascara. Oh my gosh, and pots and pans and sheet sets and mouthwash and even toothpaste. Oh my gosh, I am so, let me check the date on this, because a 4-pack. Now normally I would say when they have their clearance events, guys, they do like an additional 50% off. So you can get like this 3-pack of toothpaste for $2, and you can still use coupons on it. I was just trying to check the date to see, was there anything wrong? And no, this expires in June 2021. So that's not bad at all. But so you can always check the app and see if you can get some coupons and use the coupons with it as well to get some additional savings. But yeah, this is what we have for clearance. And look at these, oh my gosh, look at these nail designs. Wow. All right. So I don't need any of this today. But if you want to know, once again, what is on clearance for us, it is the blue dots, the gray dots, and the brown dots. They are ringing up 70% off. For some people, we were already able to get the 70% off on the clothes, and I had showed you guys that last week or the week before last. But if your store didn't have it, it is on there. You can also check the app and see what they have. And then not only that, guys, but if you want to know the video, or if you want to see a video on when it's going to be the Dollar General clearance event sales, let me know and I'll do a video regarding that as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I will talk to you later. Be safe, guys. Bye.